Okay, what do you want to say? Can you say hello? So that's what I was saying, hello, and I know I already told you their names, but they can actually introduce themselves. What's your name? What's your name? Okay, so they've learned the copycats, which is interesting, but that is not their name. Hey, what's your name?
Gabriella.
There you go, Gabriella. We call her Gabby. And who are you, Molly? So Molly and Gabby, they are, we love them. And yeah, so they might have lived with the cat in their last home with people. Let's see, what else do you want to say? Thank you, yeah, a little Spanish duet. What did you say? Do you want to say something else? Yeah, that was really good. These people really liked it. Let's see. I know you know another song. Do you want to sing?
You are my son, my only son. You make me happy. When you're great, you'll never know how much I love. So please don't take my dear son away.
So that was a classic. You guys know that song, and did you hear them cheering each other on afterwards? Huh?
That's good.
Yeah, that was really good. Okay, Molly, do you want to think about the farm? Oh.
Weird farm.
Yeah, weird farm. Hey, do you want to sing about the farm? No, she does not want to sing about the farm, but I thought you know that song.
Are my son.
Hey, you already heard that one. Now, this crowd is awesome. What do you think of them? So they really like you guys, which is awesome. I don't know how much time we have out here, Josh, but maybe we'll try to see it. Molly, do you want to sing about the farm? Same farm. Okay, well, I think we're gonna head out of here. Do you want to say goodbye? That was a see you later, alligator, and a you're so funny from Molly and Gabby.
Thank you for bringing them out, Meg. I appreciate you.